In this video, I'll show you how to fix the issue where your Garmin Forerunner is stuck on a frozen screen. So if none of the buttons are working on your watch and you're trying to touch the screen but it's just kind of frozen like this, then what you need to do is tilt the watch on its side like so, and in the top left hand side you'll see this button labeled light. Now it's nice and simple. All we need to do is hold this button down, and we're going to keep holding this button down for around about 20 seconds. You'll need to wait until the screen turns off to black. So it doesn't matter what pops up on the screen here, we're just going to keep holding it down like so, and keep holding it down until the screen turns black. Now as soon as the screen turns black, you can then release this button, and then what we're going to do is just hold this button down again for another 10 seconds until you see the light come back on. And once that's turned back on, that should have now reset your Forerunner, and you should be able to use it as normal. If it's still not working and it's kind of stuck on the black screen, then what you need to do is plug it on charge for about 45 minutes, and then you can try holding down this light button again for about 15 seconds, and that should power it up and it should now be functioning. And that's it, guys. Hopefully by following these steps, that's now fixed your frozen screen on your Garmin Forerunner. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.